And he's stolen by Fernandez. Pass break. Rondaris. Oh, lumipad. Here is one. Corner pass. Pass back one. He lays off the glass. Bucket for falling away off the window. Go rebound. Put back. Yes. And here's Team Karasi. Balilit. And one. And for the jump ball, welcome to Congressional 2024 Ilocos Norte. First ball possession, Karasi. And he's stolen by Fernandez. Pass break. Here is Rondaris. Oh, lumipad. Naghangin. Number 1 for Team Karasi. Almost stolen. And he's stolen. Here's number 10. Bounce pass fakes. Falling away off the window, won't go. Rebound, put back. Yes, sir. And 2-0. Here is one. He pass. Corner, full up. Jay, no good. Rebound by Fernandez. And he pass. One bounce, fakes, clutch. Rondaris with the finish. Here is one. Corner pass. Pass back one. He lays off the glass. Bucket for. Here's number 1 for Team Karasi sa tres. Short. Rebound number 10. In Harry. Bounce pass. Lays. Corner pass. Pass it back. Spins. Pass to number 11. 1. Pull up jet the free throw line. Too strong. Still rebound 1. Attacks. Hook shot off the glass. Yes, sir. 10 crosses the mid lane. Setting the play. Suisinyas. Fernandez. Attacking the defense against 3 defender. Rodrigo falling away. No good. Fight for the rebound. Fernandez. Natapikan. Na-recover. Rodrigo attack. Floater shot of the window. Money. Here is number 1. He attacks. He pass to the corner. Pull up jumper short. Rebound for Team Pagudpud. Rodrigo, long pass to number 10. Easy bucket. 1 crosses the mid lane. He goes to the middle. Behind the back dribble. Oh, iniwan sa ere. And fakes. Class sa mula. Ang ganda ng bounce pass to number 1. Bounce pass inside. Lace. Easy 2. And a ball possession for Karasi. High pass, inside pass na libre. Fires, bullseye. Number 10 with the ball. He's at the top. He is top. He pass back. Drives. Pass is stolen by 1. 2-on-1 ang laban. 2-on-2. Pinasa kay 1. Spins. Fires, bullseye. 1. Looking for the receiver. Pass inside to Fernandez. Persek. The counted and 1. Sesegway. No look pass. 2-1. Pinasaan ang kalaban. No look pass. Rondaris. Lays. Pasok yan. Number 26. Number 1 with the ball. He pass to 1 for 3. Too strong. Rebound. Blah. Get out the way. And here's Rondaris. Top board. Too strong. Nagkasala yung ring. Attacks. Bumangga. May foul. Rondaris. Stops. No look pass to number 7 picks. Pass to Rondaris. Inside pass. Alley-oop pass. The love. Here's jersey number 1. To the middle. Recover. Ramos for 3. No good. Rebound Rodrigo. Long pass. Rondaris for 3. Rondaris. Setting the play. Rondaris to Fernandez. Pass to number 7. To the middle. Fires. No good. Rebound. Fernandez. Put back shot. Yes, sir. Number 13. Pass to number 9. Ramos. Behar. Pass to number 13. Behar. He pass back. Attacks. Bounce pass inside. Fires. Too strong. Rebound. For Team Pagudpud. Rondaris lilipad. Pasok na naman. Rondaris. Back to. And Rodrigo with the ball. Rondaris. Pass to Fernandez. Pull up J at the middle. Bulls. He crossed the mid lane. Si Bali sa gilid. Pinasa. No good. Rebound ulit sa pagudpod. Naagawan. 1 goes inside. Easy bucket. Here's number 26. Bounce pass to the corner. 1. Open for 2. Bucket. 1. Rondaris pass break. Liz. Easy 2. Number 26 si pass. Attacks. Kicks out. Gaspar stolen. Here's Fernandez. Nag-jelly. Bucket. Rondaris. Pass to Fernandez. Inside pass. Ang ganda namang pasahan yun. Perfect. Rondaris. Rondaris. Lumipad. Bucket. Rondaris. Balilit. Dribbling the ball. I-pass. Sirz Garcia. Posting up. Hahatid. Bucket. Liz, yes sir. And Rondaris, pull up jumper. Bullseye, Rondaris. Baseball pass, 1, 2 defender. And here's Garcia. Hinatid, patanggalaban. Bumangga. For the inbound. Gaspar, kuha ng kasama. Pasok yan, Balili. Number 9, pass to number 15. Bounce pass to the middle picks. Cross pass. Edu picks. 1 bounce. Pull up jumper. No good. Tips in. Wala pa rin. Naagaw. Fires. Yes sir. And here's Sibali. Sibali kicks out. Balilit. 1. Pull up J. May foul. Edu sa 3. Bang! 3 points. Edu. And 5 laban sa 2. Fires. Bucket. 1. 3 seconds. Liz. Bucket. Easy 2. And here's Team Karasi. Balilit. And 1. And here's number 2. Fires. Bucket. Riberal. He pass to number 22, Edu. Pass to number 15. Fakes. Pull up jet the free throw. No good. Here is Balilit. Goes to the rim. Bucket. Balilit. Riberal setting the play. Sisinyas dito. He stops. Pass to number 15. Pass back. Riberal bounce pass. Pull up jet the baseline. Yes sir. And he stops, bounce pass, Chico. And he's Chico. He picks, he bounce pass. Attacks. Natapikan, stolen. Edu. Easy bucket, Edu. Lilit with the ball. He pass to the middle, Natapikan. Recover by. And here's Balilit. Pass back, Chico for 3. Too strong. Inside pass, Gaspar, libre, easy 2. Riberal, pass to Edu. Corner 2, long 2. Bucket, the net. Riberal. Against 1. Riberal, he pass to the corner, picks, clutch, fire, yes, serve. Balilit. Pass to Gasnuk na agawan. And easy bucket. Balilit, pass. Here's Gaspar, receive, kakaldag. Fires, easy bucket by Gaspar. Here's Liz, na good. Gaspar is a big man. And long 2, yes sir, Edu. Behar. Pass to Gaspar, stolen. Edu. Edu, floater shot off the glass, bucket for 2. Oops, umigway. Eto na, bounce pass, libre, easy bucket. Number 1, pass back sa 3. No good. Rebound, number 15. Up pass inside, the alley-oop and the finish. And 3 seconds. Here's He fires. Yes, sir. At here's number 10 for Team Pagudpud. No look pass sa gitna. Sa corner. Pull up J. Yes, sir. And number 11, 1 for 3. Bang! 3 point. Number 10, pass break. And reverse layup off the glass. Yes, sir. Baseball pass. 1. Sa 3. Bang! 3 points. Suweb to 1 for 3. Bang! Another. And here's number 10 between the legs. Bounce pass to the middle. Pull up J, number 27. Yes, sir. Number 26 to 1 for 3. Bang! Another 3-1. Here's number 10. Sumisigsag. Natapikan na agawan. 1. Pass break. Suweb. Oop! No easy bucket. Number 26. Attack lace. Nugget. And here's Suweb. Suweb, bounce pass to the middle. Here's 1. To Suweb. One. For 3. Oop. 1. Bucket. 1. And Behar. Behar spins. Pass to 1. 1 step back for 3. Short. And a pass. Picks. Fire. Short. Put back. Bucket. Behar. Behar to Garcia. Naagawan. Number 1. Oh, Euro step lace. Yes, sir. 1 with the ball. 1. Using the screen. 1. Picks. Falling away. My foul. Oop, binuhat na si Idol. Baseball pass. And itinap board. Easy bucket. And number 18, Bihar. Bounce pass. Naagawan. Bounce pass and easy bucket. Behar. Natapikan. Chico. Inside pass. Floater. Gaspar. And to the middle. Corner. Bounce pass. Pull up J. No good. Drives. Basket and 1. And congratulations, Team Pagudpud. 2 win, no loss.